If you own a Volvo XC60, you probably already know about this problem, rust on the front fenders. Mine started bubbling around the wheel arch, and instead of paying for expensive body shop repairs, I decided to fix it myself at home. The goal wasn't a perfect factory finish, just a solid DIY repair to stop the rust from spreading and delay a much bigger repair later. At first, I thought 180 grit sandpaper would do the job, but the rust was much worse than it looked. In the end, I had to grab the grinder and strip everything back to bare metal. Once the rust was removed, I covered everything with epoxy primer to seal the bare metal and hopefully keep the rust from returning anytime soon. After sanding the epoxy primer to a smooth matte finish, I built up the surface with a couple of thin layers of Bondo, sanding between each coat with 360 grit paper until everything felt smooth again. Once the surface was smooth, I pulled off the masking tape and carefully blended the Bondo into the original paint to help the repair disappear as much as possible. The final paint layers were sprayed freehand to create a smoother transition between the repaired section and the original paint. Before the last coat, I carefully sanded the hard repair edge with 800 grit paper to help the blend disappear. The final result isn't perfect, but it's more than good enough for now and should keep the rust under control until next summer, or until the fenders eventually get replaced entirely.